So we'll start here with the French alphabet. So the first word you will learn in French is alphabet. This is not alphabet, but because T is not pronounced, why we will learn just later when we learn about the pronunciation. So alphabet. So the first letter in French alphabet is A. You can see I have given the table on the left side. You can see I have given the English sound, and on the right side if you can read Hindi, I have written also in Hindi, okay, but if you cannot read Hindi, that's okay, because I have given on in English also. So the first letter is A, B, C, D, E, F, G. So this is a sound which exists in which is very different in French than in English. So J and G, they are not pronounced G and J, but J and G. So it is, we can say, inverted, and also the sound is different, like it is not J but J. Okay, so you have to learn this sound also. So J, so J, G is J and J is G. The next sound is ash. Next letter is ash. E, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q. This is another letter. In fact, there are two letters which are very different than English. Than in English, Q and U. They are not pronounced Q and U, but Q and U. The exact pronunciation I will teach you just after in the table when we come to the this sound. Okay, but as for now, Q and U. So Q, R. So the next sound which is very different in French is R or R. R. In Hindi you can see I have written R. R is like in Arabian or Russian language. It is not exactly the same sound as in French also. It is softer in fact. So we pronounce it like R. It is not R but R. It is, we can say, softer. So if you can learn this sound, that's well and good, but if you cannot learn, if you find it at least in the starting, if you find it difficult, so continue, you can continue pronouncing it like R as in English, because even in south of France there is a big population which pronounce it like, who pronounce them this letter like R. Okay, so if you continue, that's okay, but if you can learn, that's well and good. So the next sound is S, T. One thing I just forgot to tell you when we pronounce like they and they, it is different, or we can say softer than in English. It is not D and T, but they and they. Okay. Then the second letter as Q is U. Okay, we just learn later. V and W. So W is like in English we call it double U, double U. In English, in French it is not double U but double. We can say the translation is double V. Okay, if you don't know, the sound of the pronunciation of these two letters is different. So V is pronounced with the teeth and the lip, as you can see my lip with the teeth like V, but W is pronounced as W, like we have a letter in English which is V, W-E, V. It is not V but V. Okay, so this is these are two different sounds, V and V and W. Okay, so you have to remember this. V is not V. So these are if you find in a word these two pronunciation are different. And then we come to next letter is X, Y. Y is like E. We just learned here E. So E and Y, they are pronounced very much same. So whenever you find Y as a vowel in a word, you have to pronounce it similarly as E. So there is no difference between these two letters. even if it is called y. So this is the name y. Okay, but when it's a consonant, it is pronounced as in English also, like y is pronounced ya, which is a consonant. Okay, the last letter in French is z. Z. So here also you can see they is pronounced like the and not the, like in English. So Z. Okay. So this is the alphabet. First you have to learn this. Then we come to all the sounds which exist in French.